Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my iTechHub YouTube channel. So today in this full video I will show you how to use Snapchat My AI. Do you guys know that Snapchat My AI introduced a personal chatbot right in the Snapchat app? You can ask it to write anything, suggest gifts, plan trips, etc. Snapchat has just introduced its very own integrated AI chatbot known as My AI. You will be able to use the My AI chatbot within the Snapchat app itself. Snapchat My AI is a chatbot that uses the latest GPT technology from OpenAI, the folks behind ChatGPT. But the My AI chatbot has been customized for Snapchat. It would be available as a separate chat in your Snapchat list. And the chat name is My AI by default. But you can change it to anything, truly making it your own AI. Snapchat My AI will be automatically enabled if you are a Snapchat Plus subscriber in a supported country. To chat with the chatbot, simply open the Snapchat app and swipe right to access your chats. Then tap the My AI chat from the threads. So that's how it is. Now type what you want to ask the AI in the message box and tap send. My AI will reply you to the best of its abilities. The better your prompts, the better answers you will get. And in case if it produces a result that is incorrect, harmful, biased or misleading, then press and hold that result and you can submit your feedback to the Snapchat team. So that's how easily you will get Snapchat My AI on your Snapchat app. Having your personal AI chatbot in your social media app will make social interaction with friends so much more interesting. Thank you so much.